Are you looking for the best snorkeling spot in Orange Beach, Alabama? Well, keep watching and we'll show you.
All right, guys, we're right here in Orange Beach, Alabama. One of my spots I love. We got pelicans coming over the bridge. How beautiful is that? There they come. Beautiful. Well, we're right here at a spot I like to go in, right next to Cobalt's restaurant. It's on the east side of the Perdido Pass Bridge, right here by the parking and all that. We park over here under the bridge. We unload right here next to Cobalt's, and not a very far trek over to the water, and then we kayak out to the pass, through the pass out to the jetty. So we're gonna get started. Stay on the outside of those pylons there and then come in. Oh, this is good. Yeah, we got the motion going. Motion of the ocean. Hey, we'll follow the beach, but not real close. Yeah, check this out. This is these are some of the artificial reefs that they're going to put in the Orange Beach area over here, just east of the pass back that way. But this is how they look before they're built. Nice little artificial reefs. Very cool, very cool.
For more information about the new snorkeling reefs in Orange Beach, Alabama, check out the description below.
Yeah, that's our usual spot. Some more. Okay. Yesterday was really smooth compared to this.
If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more videos. Also, you can follow me on social media, TheToneman Gulf Coast Snorkeling, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those links are listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching.